Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Automix on Apple Music. First, open the Apple Music app on your device. Automix is a fantastic feature that creates smooth, seamless transitions between songs in your queue, making your listening experience feel like a continuous DJ set. It's perfect for parties or just enjoying your music without any awkward silences. Let's dive into how to enable and customize this cool function. To enable Automix, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, then scroll down and tap on Music. Within the Music settings, look for the Playback section. Here, you'll find the Automix toggle. Simply tap it to turn the feature on. Once enabled, Apple Music will automatically blend the end of one song into the beginning of the next, creating a fluid soundscape for your enjoyment. With Automix now active, simply start playing a playlist or a queue of songs. You'll notice the difference as tracks smoothly transition into one another, eliminating abrupt stops and starts. This creates a more immersive and enjoyable listening experience, whether you're working out, relaxing, or hosting a gathering. It's a subtle yet powerful enhancement to your Apple Music playback. For the best Automix experience, try curating playlists with songs that have similar tempos and genres. This helps the transitions feel even more natural and professional. It's a great way to keep the energy flowing during your listening sessions. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.